This book explains why people repeat the same mistakes. The Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg. Why do people continue behaviors they know are harmful? This book reveals that habits are not random, they follow a predictable structure that can be redesigned. Every day, your brain performs thousands of actions automatically. You wake up. Check your phone. Drink coffee. Drive familiar routes. React in predictable ways. These behaviors feel natural, almost invisible. But the power of habit explains that much of human behavior is driven by habit loops operating beneath awareness. Charles Duhigg describes the structure of every habit as a three-part cycle. First comes the cue. Something triggers the brain to begin the routine. Next comes the routine itself, the behavior you perform. Finally comes the reward, which reinforces the loop. Over time, this cycle becomes automatic. The brain begins anticipating the reward, creating cravings that drive the behavior forward. Habits exist because the brain seeks efficiency. By automating behaviors, the mind saves energy for more complex tasks. But this efficiency has a downside. Once habits form, they can operate without conscious control. The good news is that habits are not permanent. They can be changed, but not erased. The key is keeping the cue and reward while altering the routine. For example, someone who snacks when stressed may actually be seeking relief or distraction. By identifying the real reward, the routine can be replaced with a healthier behavior that satisfies the same craving. Organizations and societies also run on habits. Companies build habits in customers. Communities develop social routines. Even movements and revolutions follow patterns of habit formation. Understanding these loops gives individuals extraordinary leverage. Because when you identify the cue and reward behind behavior, you gain the power to redesign the routine. And when routines change consistently, entire lives begin to shift.